Welcome to Zen Circle. Today we are going to learn how to let go of all the things that no longer serve you. Start by setting your intention. Allow yourself to be open to the process. You do not need to force anything. Take a few deep breaths and begin. Close your eyes and bring awareness to your breath. Inhale fully, and then exhale slowly and gently. Do this several times, noticing how your chest rises and falls. Recognize the emotions you are feeling. You don't have to do anything with them. Just be aware of them. It can be helpful to name these emotions and acknowledge their existence. Is there a specific spot in your body that feels tense? Maybe your stomach is in knots, or your shoulders are tense, or your chest feels tight. Allow these emotions to pass through you. Embody them and let them go by simply noticing how you feel without judgment or attachment. Breathe deeply in through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Let the emotions flow from your body into the air you breathe out. Imagine them being released into a vessel that will carry them away from you. Imagine that your emotions are a tight ball. Let the ball begin to spread through your body. As the ball spreads, it starts to dissipate. The emotions begin to melt away. You are breathing in inner peace as you breathe out the negative emotions. With every inhale, you feel calmer. With every exhale, you feel the emotions less. Now, imagine your feelings as a cloud. As you continue to breathe in and out, the cloud begins to disappear. Watch the cloud go away. Now you are at rest, both in mind and body. You can think clearly, and your muscles are relaxed. Your emotions do not control you. Your mind is at peace. Enjoy this relief for a few moments. When you are ready, open your eyes and come back to reality. Notice how your situation has seemed to change now that you can think clearly again without stressful, negative emotions. You are now calm and peaceful.